Hello and welcome. My name's Dori O'Neill, and welcome to my Master Affiliate Profits 10-part Master Affiliate Profits Overview series. This is the welcome video, and I want you to know that you're about to experience something entirely different. I'm not going to be asking you to spend money needlessly. I'm not going to be asking you to do things and upsell you at every given turn. I'm here to tell you that I have been in business for more than 50 years, helping people just like you become successful online. Unlike other so-called gurus, which I don't consider myself a guru, I'm here to provide you with my mentoring services, my expertise at no cost to you. So if you decide to enroll by clicking the button below each of the videos that you're going to see over the next 10 days, you're in my mentorship group automatically. I'm going to provide you with free done-for-you services. I'm going to make myself available one-on-one when possible and online in group sessions so that you can grow and earn while you learn from free to paid membership. Now, if you are a person that's really serious and understands the Master Affiliate Profits platform, I do encourage you to enroll as a platinum member as quickly as possible because there's certain advantages to do that. But if you're starting out and you're unsure, trust comes through action. And so you can enroll in Master Affiliate Profits, and I'll immediately send you my Getting Started guide along with a free landing page and done for you email setup and other things to help you on your journey. And you'll know that when you join, you can reach me at any time by emailing me at Dori, D-O-R-I, at O'Neill, O-N-E-I-L-L .B-Z. And when you do, you'll get a response directly from me or from one of my staff members. Our mission is to take you from beginner to pro. And if you are a pro, I will also be able to offer my services to you to enhance your skill set and bring you into some of the marketing campaigns that I have created that are free of charge but will enhance your ability to earn online. So welcome to this 10-part series. Go ahead and enroll in Master Affiliate Profits if you're comfortable doing so right now by clicking the button below. And if you're not and you want to see the next few videos, that's fine too. We'll see you in video number 1. Goodbye.